Oh, what's going on? Oh, double first. Camilos. So I didn't. Oh, there we go. Okay. What are we doing today? How's it going, people? Did I make the announcement that I'm streaming? I don't think so. Okay. You're streaming? I hope so. Hi, Tomer. Hi, Camilos. Oh yeah, we were messing with this yesterday. People were complaining that this game is too difficult, so I decided to make it more difficult. Oh my goodness, it is more difficult. Yeah. Okay. And then you can just do that. But I wanted to design something here. Oh, wait, what the hell? You can do it? What room was that? 117? 17? But yeah, how's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Happy Wednesday. Wait, let me go into our global settings real quick. Is there anything we want to fix today? Boom. I'm avoiding all the systems we have to work on. Game settings? Yeah. Oh, no. Yes. So I set all this to false. Generate new tile maps. Yeah, let's do this. False and false. There we go. Why are these export variables though? Here, let me delete this. And we can keep. Still says, oh, what? There we go. I thought I did update it. I just didn't press OK, I guess. Dash this way. You get a dash orb. Technically, let's see. So, bow tie practical is back, I guess. Confirmed. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's gotten into me. Ah, dude. Yeah, that's pretty good. I wonder. So you die that way. You know, what the hell? I don't know why these circles... I must have reset these values because this is supposed to be a lot longer here. Yeah, yeah, you should be... I guess that also teaches that you can dash early. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible, but... let's see, I'll give the player more space. And let me see what's wrong with this circle. The circle's supposed to be, what is that? 32, I guess. We're using pixels plus 8? 40? We must have reset it at some point. Memory release before 550? Yes. Confirmed. Wait, I can't see. Are all springs spring 2? Yes. All springs are spring 2. It always has been. Yo, Bucky. Sup? Yeah, I mean, this is a D. It's not great. Let me see. Wait, what the hell? Is it me? Oh, I guess because now I'm allowing, now we're taking our sweet time here. Might need to just, let me just, I guess, bring this up one. Oops. Bring this down, bring this up. If that's the case, then all of this has to go up. It wasn't always spring 2. But I would say for the majority of development, probably spring 2. Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, that's better. And then we gotta make sure. Oh my god, I keep moving chat. You gotta make sure you can't just do. I'm pretty sure you can. Ooh, wait, let me see. Well, actually, that's pretty good because I don't think. Let me see. Or maybe you can if you're like really good. But what's the point? What the hell? Oh, there's a checkpoint hitting this maybe we should have something that sets it so that you can't mess with the checkpoints. Let me see something. Get ceiling. Is this what we mess with? Get ceiling. Okay, so here, let's... Oh my god. Adjacent rooms. In the room. Adjacent door. Do we have like, I guess, yeah, let's do this bar. Change height. Okay. And what the hell? Bar. The greatest overlay dev streamer in the world. Oh, for a second I was like, I read it. That's not me. Why are you saying that to me? But how's it going? How's it going, Irad? I see you've changed colors. You are on the yellow team now. What does that mean? You weren't expecting that. You weren't expecting what? For me to notice? Do you think I wouldn't notice? How do you feel about control nodes? I think they're not bad. They're obviously a lot different from like all the other ones, but if you're not doing anything fancy, I feel like they're okay. I mean, but you can still do some fancy stuff with it. It's just not obviously not the same workflow with other Godot nodes, I guess you could say. But yeah, I'm grateful for them. Control nodes, it's like I guess you can like split Godot into like 2D nodes, 3D nodes, and then control nodes and some other stuff, but control nodes are UI nodes that have a bunch of their own unique stuff to it. So like my my UI, all of my UI is using control nodes, and it's kind of annoying sometimes too. I got to like control nodes after using them. I mean, the app that you made, right, uses control nodes, a bunch of it. What the hell? Why didn't we reset? What the hell? Is there something broken here? Did I like disable something? I wonder if because I turned this off, something else. Oh. Wait, let me see here. Let's just turn on visible collision shapes, but I think I messed something up here. On get ceiling, we say return. If not size edited. What the hell is size edited? What the hell is this? I wonder what this is. I mean, I think we want this, but when do we set this? Var is equal to false. I guess we want this. Oh, let me see. What do we want to do here? Just change height. Oh, I see. Here, yeah, I'll try just doing this. Have you seen it? Oh, no, I have not. Is that a bean person who's fed up with it? They're sick of everything. Wait, what the hell? The height still changed. What the hell? Oh, whoops, and change height. All right, there we go. Good enough for me. And this room is good. Yo, hello, in it. Sup, Jacob. Jacob. Sorry, I don't remember names anymore. Cup of TJ. I don't remember how to read either. Okay, this should be good. And then if we try to get over the... Yeah, you could technically do it backwards. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, and you can do that too. We can't have that. That it should not be allowed. All right, let me turn this off. I can just raise it. Just gotta be careful. How's it going, Irad? How you doing? Hope you're well. We can make it more difficult. Do dash up. Sure, why not? Or doop dash up. And then I guess we can call it there. And then you oh, wait. Yeah, I kind of want to make a cool little yeah, technically you can dash. Wait, no, but this feels not good. Wait. Yeah, like that. I think that's better. Or like this. Oh, I think we have textures that account for this, but it does look weird here. Boom, 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 dash through. Very well in general. Still pissed at my broken car though. Oh, I didn't know your car broke. Without spending too much. Irad, you need to find a mechanic friend. I had a mechanic friend. It's a very, very useful friend to have. I wish I took photos of the summer. I bought like a 1999 Toyota Corolla that was just like sitting for a very long time. Did all the repairs. Well, like I had to invest my own time into it, but you know, my friend told me everything I needed to do. Helped me buy the parts and stuff. Helped me as in told me which parts to buy. I have a trusty mechanic. I like him, but he has no tow truck. Oh, I see. Yeah, the thing about living in the U.S. is everyone has a pickup. Not everyone, but yeah, no, not really a tow truck though. Yeah, that could be a problem, not being able to transport it. All right, that's pretty good. I like that. We can make this section a little tighter, because why not? It's a collectible. What hell? All right, I think we're good here. We're done. Wait, yeah, I did see your emote. It looks pretty good. Here, wait, let me see it up close. Oh, give up. I see. Did you make this on your own? You did that. That's impressive. I could never. Maybe one day. I'd love to make my own emotes. All right, good enough. I like it. Okay. Now what? Let's see. know, it's funny. We even have more of a height there. What is that like? We'll see. Oh, I guess because I messed with the heights on every I redid this node that all the distances changed. So that's what, like, that's a 6. I have to. Oh. Whew, that was a powerful sneeze. I sneezed out all my brain. I only have one brain cell left. Bless you. Thank you. How's it going, Grub Lady? Radius. So that's, wait, it says 6. Oh, I just have to say, where is it? Oh yeah, just not use pixels and then we should be good. Boom. Now there's also a line here, but we don't have to worry about that one. Okay. So yeah, I don't really have anything to do today. We gotta figure that out. Can we up? I do want to figure out what we want to do with our tile maps. The PNGs were kind of weird. It's not weird anywhere, like when we exported the game, it's fine, but it's weird in the editor, and it's kind of scary that it's weird in the editor. How's the to-do list? So, I mean, it's looking good because there is nothing to do on the to-do list. We fixed all of this. I didn't have anything. All right, so actually, why don't we be a little bit... I keep saying we're going to do this and we never do. We need a checklist before release. We need our achievements working. We need the leaderboard working again. Actually, I don't know if Tomer is here, but maybe we can work on that together at some point. Get that on Practical Media or something. But yeah, okay. Leaderboard. All right. I'm here. Yeah, maybe we can talk about that next Tuesday before release. Leaderboard. What else? Skins. I also needed to get something for Captain Coder's skin. Captain Coder. And I also need one for Juho Sprite. Juho Sprite. I also need one for Bad Cop. I forgot. I know I have it somewhere listed, but I know these are the ones that are popping up on the top of my head. I also want just one in general for, well, actually we already have one for Kickstarter backers, but boom, 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 boom. I'm pretty sure I have a Bad Cop like note or scene, and oh, maybe not, I guess. Maybe I deleted it. What else? All right, and that's that. Here, let's do the systems. Systems. We need the leaderboard. I mean, we already have it, but I'm sure, honestly, I might refactor it because it was like, it's so old. Leaderboard, achievements. Skins, collectibles, basically our whole progress. Which, I mean, it's there, it's just not, I don't think it's amazing. All right. Yeah, this is what we need. Oh, we have skins here. I mean, we have this working. We technically have this working. Maybe we need something to at least display our achievements, show that it works in game, and then go from there. Statues. All right. Dude, why do I have so many notifications? All right. I'm just so popular. with all the everyone pings. Where did I just put chat? Nope. All right, so yeah, I know we have this progress manager, but I'm sure it's jank. Let's see, progression menu, progress UI. What is this? Collectibles. We have the skins thing, and I think that's where everything is gonna go. Progression manager is this achievement. Okay, is this? Let's see. Progression manager. Okay, and what does this do? What the hell's in here? Save manager, save temporary collectibles. Okay. Achievement manager. I don't even remember if this stuff works. I don't even know if it's doing the thing. Where are we grabbing our achievements from? Achievements.json on the user file. Here, let's see what that looks like. Rome. What is it again? Where the hell is my game? Am I blind? Alright, just go in here. Am I blind? I could have sworn I had a oh yeah, it's in here, that's why. Profiles. Where is it stored? Config files? No way. What's going on? Did I never make a file called achievements? There's no way. Logs, no. Profiles, sessions, profile 1, session data. Oh my goodness. I wonder how many gigs of oh no, I think we lost our data earlier. Also, I have no like this infinitely grows. I have no way to clean this up. Like, I mean, it's very small files, but I should probably cap it out in some way. Let's do that right now. Or wait, let me put that in our to-do. Say issues. Data or player session data not being deleted. Too many logs. Also, I do want to update how we're collecting like it'd be cool to visually show player session data. Show player session data. So I guess we're doing systems, like systems, a bunch of systems again. Show player sessions, sending it to a database. This I'll probably send this to, well, I'll talk about this at some point. Too many logs. What else? Why don't we see this? User oh wait, it's just on the user, so it should just be here. Is it invisible? Do we have hidden files? Global profile. What the hell? Save temporary. I could have sworn we had something like this. I mean, it maybe it's been a while. Achievements.json. Well, hello there. Have a magical Caritas. How's it going? If file exists, all achievements on game config files.game data. Why is it on config files? We have this, at least. Exclamation gold. So I mean, this is here. That's good. How do we load this in? Load achievements. On the ready, we're trying to load achievements. Save file. Here, let's see. I mean, save, open, parse JSON. Oh, I guess this is happening, but we're not saving the file into the achievements JSON. All right. Load achievements. Let me see. How do you save achievements? Say open. I'm just gonna ask Claude to do this for us. Whoops. What the hell is going on here? If we don't have the file on load, make sure that we save it into the new user file. Sure. Happy Wednesday. It is a happy Wednesday. It's kind of chilly today, actually. I forgot I'm not wearing socks. My feet are chilly. One moment. Been raining all week for you? Where are you? Where are you in the world? You might have mentioned that. I might have forgotten. I don't know. I don't know when I was out loud. I was out yesterday for a little bit, but okay. Virginia, I see. Yeah, I think today was pretty rainy, but it was the only day. Oh my goodness, Claude. Bro just wrote the entire... Nah, bro. I just wanted you to update these two functions for me. Oh my goodness. Trying to make a whole less... All right, there we go. Let's see. So we should get these achievements in now, hopefully. There we go. It should be empty. Okay, cool. Do we want it to save everything, or do we... All right, we'll find out in just a second. I guess it makes sense just to store the achievement itself. Yeah, I think that's better just to store the achievement. That way they can mess with it. So save achievements. in unlocked achievements. I don't remember how this thing works though. All right, add achievement. Let me see. Does this ever ran anywhere? What the, oh my god. Boom, boom, boom. No, we don't. Unlock achievement. What's this? Oh my god. Unlock achievement, complete chapter. It seems like we never run this. Update death count. Is this ever ran? Progression manager on the player. Does happen sometimes. Handle dead state. Okay. Let's take this, I guess, one step at a time. Steve, oh, how's it going, Cuddy Flame? How you doing? All right. Yeah, we had achievements at some point, but then I like got the system working, and then we were like, all right, on to the next thing. But now we gotta really put some effort into it. We also want to add potential for like, you know, other platforms like, you know, GOG or whatever, or console, you know. All right, so progression manager, on. Maybe we should clean up our... Oh, wait. First, let me see. I'm all over the place today. I keep closing our shortcuts. Project shortcuts. Can you... Wait, let me see something. Because you can add a... as like a favorite or something, right? I've never used this. Pin to quick access? Oh, yeah. Like 20 years of using Windows and wait, no, we don't want this. What was it called again? Game day episode. All right. So we got finish chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Discover hidden memory after completing all chapters. The hidden memory. Who the hell wrote this? I don't know, but it's something for me. Discover my hidden memories. Yo, Grumble of Pugs, how's it going? How was Japan, by the way? Do you remember all the embarrassing things you said on my stream while you were at a bar in Japan? Unlock your first chapter by beating another chapter. Unlock. Oh yeah, this is a weird title. You don't? Oh yeah, you admitted to like stealing all my ideas and everything. But we already knew that. Under a specific time. Sounds right, yeah. Without dying. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be tough. Oh, good luck to, okay. So, death count per, okay. Here, wait. Let's write everything down. So for achievements, we have so many things to do. We have to do, okay, record. I think we do this already, but our level manager is like all over the place. Record death count per chapter. I think we do this already. Record time. Yeah, we do all of this, but I don't remember where it's stored. Time per chapter. Record. We already know it's a valid run. YOLO achievement. Record death count, which we already do. All of the stuff we already do. I just don't remember like how we should communicate with our progression manager. Honestly, honestly, I do want to, like, I haven't been using signals nearly enough, and we should have just connected with signals to see. And then I guess the right approach would be to just have our achievement manager have a bunch of checks, and then, you know, yeah, I think that makes the most sense. But it's also, we put it in a JSON. We'll have to see, like, yeah, we'll see. All right, record death count per chapter. I guess these are the most important ones. Let me see what else we got in here. Dying, start your journey. Anything that's like sort of very send messages and all send messages. Ooh, I like the idea of this, but I was very ambitious. I like the title though. Message in a bottle. Send your first message to another player. Cool. Race against another player's ghost. Yeah, like awesome, but that's not possible. All right, let's just do this one first. Finish chapter 1, 2, and 3. Are we ever calling that finished chapter? Complete chapter. Unlock achievement. Chapter name complete. All right, we're never calling this. So let's go into level manager. And yeah, we're just gonna start using a bunch of signals everywhere. No, we could just call it here though. Let's go into like chapter 1 for a second. And we should put our player over here too. Copy property. Shut up. You know, it's bugging me that I got some reality leakage right there. Here, wait. Let's see if this. There we go. Sort of. There we go. All right. See, room 30, 133. So this thing, chapter switcher. What's in here? On area entered, we say player node, exit world, scene, path. Do we know the chapter that's in? Yeah, I mean, before we do this, we could just check. And I wonder why we say not equal null. Level manager. Monk. Complete level. Current chapter on what is it, world node? Is it world node? Is this ours? Yeah. Is equal to okay. Let's see. What is this? Current chapter dot name. Previous display name. Or actually, I think when we complete a chapter, let me see this again. Progression manager, achievement manager. We just say chapter name. Chapter name complete. Let me see. Chapter 6 space. Do we do chapter space 6? Because it seems like, yeah, we put a space. Yeah, interesting. Okay. Let me see. Unlock achievement. Chapter name. Do I want to be more? 'Cause yeah, right now I don't think we store names, do we? Let me see. Store IDs or something. Unless there's like a, I mean, we just have get, we can do get name, but again, there's a space between this. But we do have a display name. So chapter 1 display name. All right, fine. I'll just do it that way. Current, or yeah, we just say current chapter or current world. Yeah, honestly, we don't even need this. And then what is it? Progression manager dot achievement manager dot complete chapter. Okay. I'm wondering why we don't see the did I spell this wrong? Okay. Reality leakage. Also on unlock achievement, we also want to make sure that the player isn't cheating. So we'll also have to check if, and I wonder, I forgot, is this on the progression manager or on the, I think, so our save manager manages the save file. Save manager dot current profile node dot valid run, valid speed run. I guess we could say that it could be valid speed run or valid run, but I guess I only had a variable for that. Do that. Achievement dot unlock is unlocked to unlock, and then when do we how do we save this thing? Found cat, okay. You know what we should do? We should have some sort of UI for this. That'd be nice. Like on the screen or something. That kind of be kind of cute actually. Let me think. Here, wait, so actually, here, let's go back here. I know like Steam would do this automatically and maybe it'd be kind of annoying to have both. And I'm sure they actually probably don't want that, but we should have something for ourselves in case, like for the itch.io version, for instance, we want to keep there. So yeah, achievements, we're also going to say UI for unlocking. And yeah, we'll just put that on. Let's do that. Let's go to our main scene for a second. Let me close some of those. Main scene. Where is it? UI canvas. This thing is kind of ugly. Debug and text box. All right, I'm just gonna add something in the middle here. Are these using? Is this using a text box? No. Debug UI. Does it have a theme to it? Just copy this theme. Achievement. Center? Top right? I think top center makes most sense. Center. Should we put Germania in here? What is it, default? Oh, yeah. What the hell? Is that? Probably create a new script here. Achievement label. Okay. She shipped shift and noon. Of course. We should have known from the beginning. Signal. Achievement. Achieve. And unlocked. Achievement name and then self and then change text or show. What's going on here? What the? We should make this its own scene here, actually. Let's see, branch a scene. Where is this in? Signal. Was it UI? Is it on the UI? Oh my goodness, we have so much. In-game options menu. Let's see, achieve. Under UI. What's a good amount of time? Like 5 seconds? I'll do this. Yes. We'll add one more. Visible. Okay. So from nothing to something to nothing. You like the song? It's called Never Ending Song by Violet's Theme. One Step from Eden. All right, this should be good. Probably just play this animation. Show achievement, so achievement player. Dot play. Achievement unlocked. And then text is equal to the achievement name. Unlocked. Okay, there we go. And then let's go into okay. So it should be good there. Now let's go into the chapter switcher. Oh, this one's gonna be a little weird because it's gonna happen as you're transitioning into a new section. We'll see. We'll see. So complete chapter, unlock achievement, and then yeah, I'm gonna put a breakpoint right here. Achievement unlocked here, and then we're also gonna say signal manager. That signal. Achievement unlocked. Wah, wah. Gotta bring ourselves closer to the oh yeah, right there already. Ah. What a flip, nothing happened. Are we not, no, we should have seen a breakpoint or something. Oh, complete, we never actually did this. Complete level. I think we have a valid run, but I'm not sure. Valid run true. Boom. Nothing's happening. What the hell? Complete level. On area 2 you entered. Are we, does this work? Monitoring? Complete level. Version manager, complete chapter. Chapter name. Oh, we didn't put a breakpoint here. Oh, I wonder. So it says we unlocked it, but I don't know if that means anything yet. And also, let's see. I don't know if it even saves. No, yeah, it doesn't. But let's just check if we didn't see any animation either, did we? I don't think so. So valid run true. Yeah, nothing's happening. What's going on here? Save measure dot valid speedrun. This should be true if achievement in achievements and not is unlocked. In achievements. Are we not? So it does exist, but we're not I don't think we're let me see, name and save data. Yeah. I can't be bothered with this. I'm gonna ask Claude to do this for us. Let's see. Where is it? Did I close it? Do we need to make any other changes? Skin deep. Yeah, we're gonna change all of this. I don't think we need a. We can do this better for sure. Update a function to match your requirements. Save achievements. Okay. All right. It looks right. Achievement unlocked. Emit the signal. What hell? Why is it running like 3 million times? And then unlocked. What hell? Unlock achievement. Is this a different chapter? Try again. Oh, I see, because we died for the first time. Okay. Okay, oh, I see. We just won a bunch of achievements, that's why. Let me see. So now we should have like what the hell? Unlock achievement. So we've unlocked the achievements, but then how do we save everything? See, save achievements, game data, save data, unlocked achievements. There's no way this wouldn't exist, I'm pretty sure, but open star string for name. Okay. Let's see, let's find out. So on unlock achievement. Do this. Save achievements. Let's try that again. I guess you can get multiple achievements at once. We'll have to see. So if you die, persistence pays off. Okay. Let's see. Persistence unlocked. True. Try again. True. Okay. Wonder what this is. Persistence pays off. See? Achievements. Die 500 times in total. Okay, so I mean, I guess those work. Should probably have a better approach for this. We should have a good sound for unlocking achievements too. But yeah, it seems like it works. Let's reload, make sure those stay, and we don't get the achievements again. I think we should be good though. Okay. Let's go back into the progression manager. Not a valid run. Let's make sure this doesn't work. Yeah, put that in there. So yeah, not a valid run anymore. Cool. Easy enough. Okay. I hope we have all the cases good for that. Yeah, it's already false again. We have infinite dashes. If I go into options, turn off infinite dash, go back into menu. Start. Oh, what the hell? Infinite dash is false. Why does it still say it's false? Let's see. Level select steps for one. Oh, now it's true. So wait, what did I do? If I let me go back. So if you go into options, infinite dash, save, it's false. You go into the menu, go back, play the game again. It still says false. Go into options, turn this off. Restart, says false. Go back here and just continue normally. It still says false until we go into level select and say chapter 1. Okay. We could check for some cases like that. We can also give some notifications saying valid run is set back to true. Here, let's see. I'm gonna just write everything down. So UI, so we technically did this, but I do want to add a sound. Core death count. I think we're doing this already, but saving, got that working. Resetting, valid run. I don't know how we want to do this just yet. We can say like give warning, always reset. I like having infinite dashes while I'm testing stuff though, so give warning if starting new run. And then we'd have to disable it, but right. What else? We also want something like a list of achievements in game. So I'll do that right now actually. I guess let's commit first. Yo, whale time, how's it going? Fixed System. Let's go into. So we have a progression manager. Sorry, progression UI, and this is where I was storing the skins. Progression. Oh my god, progression or progress UI. So this is, I think, where we're storing our collectibles at the moment. But I think what we want to do is panel container progression is one. So here, let's do this. We're gonna add a HBox container. Put this on the top. And inside we'll put buttons. Oh, button. I think we have something called default button now. Default button is usually what I use. This will be okay. So we'll say, what should we do? Like skins or what? Achievements. Should I capitalize it? We'll figure out the buttons later, or the layout of it. What's going on here? Why is this like grow direction? Begin. Size flags. Don't fill. There we go. Or fill. Yeah, we'll figure it out. There we go. And what is this? Collectibles. Let's do a VBox container. I know they have panels in Godot. I've never really used it, or not. Sorry, was it like panel tabs? Are you planning to show in game the requirements to unlock each achievement? I don't know. Perhaps we'll see, or maybe just keep the title there. You can figure out, like, just have the title there, and then based on the title, you can figure it out. Or maybe only show one description on how to get the achievement. We'll see. So yeah, you can do tabs. I've never used them before, or maybe I used them and I didn't like them. So I might just use, yeah, I think we use buttons often, so we're just gonna do that one. So this is gonna be achievements. We need skins. What do you think? Would you rather me not say? See what's going on here. Whoops. Expand. Shrink center. What the hell's going on here? Fill and then, oh yeah, I think we just fill and then these we want to do something like that. And then the title would just be above. We'll see. Boom, boom, where is this? Nope. Collectibles. Wait a second. What the flip is going on here? This is, I don't even use this anymore, I don't think. Yeah, let's see. Because I think we have, let me see, skins. I'm pretty sure we have like a skin UI. Yeah. I wonder what I'm throwing into the game here. Progress. Collectibles, skins. Wait, what the hell is this? Progression menu. So I started making it and then, oh, I see. Okay. This is what I was, whoops. Okay. All right, so this was a complete waste of time. Progression menu. Skins, collectibles, gates. And then I guess we should add one more called achievements. Probably should capitalize all of it too. At least the first. Collectibles, gates. Okay. There's so much. Oh wait, well, that's not that much actually. So here I'm just gonna copy all of these. Skin UI, top navigation buttons. Are we grabbing these? Here, I'm just gonna throw it up here. And you know what? Let's make these. Why does it do that? It's kind of annoying. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Let's try that one more time. Skins, achievements, get rid of this. Why are these not default buttons though? What, did I put an underscore or something? Default button. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there we go. All right. Okay. And then we also want to connect these. Do we have connect signals in here? Signal manager dot connect submenu back. Oh, this stuff was okay. Let me get rid of all of this. And then in here, let's do in menu. So for this one, I don't think we have to worry too much about how this button is being called. Let me see. Skins. Because yeah, we're just going to be in this whole little section here. Although it would be nice. Yeah, no, thank you. So achievement skins, I feel like skins is more interesting for people. So maybe achievements goes all the way at the end. Yeah, skins, then collectibles, then gates, and then achievements. I think that's good. And then the submenu container has the skins. All right, so by default, we'll set everything to hide everything. All right, so where's the submenu? Do we have something like this? Let me make this unique too. Submenu container. We'll do func hide all menus or subpanels. For child in submenu container dot get children child to false. And then we'll say, yeah, sure, hide all submenus. Just think, oh. And then get rid of this. Progression, set button neighbors, connect. This is on the ready. Wait. Do we do this on the ready? I think so. Hide all signals. Yeah, sure. Hide all subpanels, and then, or is it on enter panel actually? Focus first button. And then we also want to say like first panel. Focus first button is the skins, which is fine. And then also, I guess for this one, let me see, focus. Do we have a focus first button? It's on the menu panel now. I guess we'll also say show for focus func show first panel. And that's just going to be the skins. Skin UI. Here, let's do this. Skins UI. Oh, God. Can we make this unique? Yeah. What is this? This song's interesting. All right. Skins are visible. True. What is this? Skin UI. All right. So enter panel. So that's visible. We got to connect the buttons too. Benny K. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Connect sub. Oh. Connect buttons, submenu buttons. Do we do pressed? Connect signals pressed? Can you signal pressed, button pressed? For child and or I guess, all right, I have to do this for each of them, right? So button pressed, skins. Button press or dot connect to self to show sub panel. We gotta do. We don't have this. I guess we also have to do. Func show sub panel. Sub panel. This panel? Panel container. There's set control node. What's going on here? Expected. Do we have a current panel? What? Current. Is equal to null. Oh my god. Where did we do this? Skins UI. All right. Connect signals. Connect so many buttons. So show panel, and then also current panel is equal to dot visible put to false. Current panel is equal to this, and then current panel is equal to true. Yo, Colchis, how's it going? Is that it? I think. So yeah, it should work now. We only have one UI thing here, but let's just do another one real quick, just for testing purposes. Let's just do another skins one. We won't know actually. Do we make? Yeah, I kind of want to do the achievements pretty soon. So we should test if this works. But we don't have. Let me see. Actually, we do have collectibles, but it's. I remember it's also kind of jank. Collect. I remember we had this somewhere. What's this? Progress UI. Progression. Collectibles. I mean, we have something in here, but it seems like I made some all-encompassing. Let's see. Get all collectibles. Here, let's put this its own thing. Collectibles icon. Progress UI. We're not using this anymore. Let's change this. So get rid of this. Progress UI, panel container. Yeah, I'll just call this the new collectible progress. Collectible UI. Is the game done yet? I wish. All right. Collectible UI. What is this? Cats? Cats? Oh, right. We did something like that, didn't we? Yeah, this is good that we're calling collectible UI. Cats are collectibles now. We're getting sued by Pokemon. Get rid of gates. Hopefully, wait, this. I hope this changed. Collectible UI. Okay, yeah. Last name. Collectible UI. Collectibles. I should call it. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna be doing. Here, wait. Let's see. Wow. Cats, and then what this button's for. Let's get rid of it. This should be a panel container. Panel container. All right, so collectibles. What's in here? Progression, and then cats. What the hell is it? Why does it look like that? What are we trying to do here? We don't need this. So collectibles has the collectibles label, and then the grid, and then cats has the okay. This will look better once we throw it in. So collectible UI, let's grab that. Collectible. So if I hide this, what's with what do I do here? Why does this one look better? Or something looks nice about this one. Theme. There's no theme in here either. Or maybe there was a theme in here. Clear. Alright, so. Alright, there we go. Collectibles. Should we, I don't know if we should, if we want to split it. Honestly, it's probably better. Yeah, we'll see. Let me go in here and just update it. Why is this thing not like a full rectangle? Epic window, how's it going? What the hell? What the flip, dude? Let me see. This thing's not like, it's not expanding. Size flags. Expand, is that why? Oh, I see, okay. Localization gaming. Is that what you're doing right now? Alright, so I guess now we can hide everything. Collectibles. Yeah, let me say this. It's collectibles UI. Let's go in here. Make this unique. Skins. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Aha. It doesn't work. What's going on here? Connect signals on the ready. Yeah, let's try. Let's see what's happening here. Input submenu. Sync UI. This. Current panel is equal to this. Visible true. Yeah, what the hell? Worst time for an ad. Perfectly timed. What the hell? These buttons don't work. Emit signal, focus pressed. Signal pressed. Do I just do emit signal focus? Oh, I see. Just have to focus pressed. I don't know why I did it here. Where is it? Current panel visible, invalid index visible on base. On the ready, we said enter panel, focus first button, show first. Oh, I didn't do this. Current panel. There we go. And then collectibles. Cool. It just works. After first try. And these don't have anything yet. Collectibles look good. We have like so many boxes here. Some of them are lit. So do we have 9? 1, 2, 3. Why are these ones empty? I don't know what's going on there. And then cats, not really a thing yet, but it works. Okay. And then going back does that, but also does pressing escape also work? Okay. And then also can we go into progress Can we go to the back button? We can. Can we go to the back button from collectibles? No, we cannot. What's going on there? It's like it, should we have like a, maybe we should put this in a scroll container? Yeah, wait, let me try to change this to a, how does this work? What do you need? Scrolling engine to work with a single VBox. Whoops, oh my god. Although, wait, we'll see, because I don't want it to be, I have to put another thingamabob in there. Make it a doable plushie collect. Oh, that's a really good idea, actually. That's a really good idea. What's going on here now? Submenu container. Are these not referenced correctly? Collectibles UI, skins UI. Everything is visible. Scroll container is not, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Progress, there we go. And then if you go here, now you can scroll, see everything. This looks ugly, but it's functional. For Loki, you just want to split everything up, but like maybe collectibles would look good with cats. We don't have that many cats, that's the thing. And then achievements. All right. Good enough for now. Let's make the achievements UI now. Achievements. Achievement manager. Achievement label. Where is this stored? Progression menu. Progression menu. Can you add a new scene here? Achievement. Maybe we'll make this into actually an achievements menu in case at some point we want to have something cool. Let's do scroll container. Whoops. Scroll container. Here, wait, I'm gonna change this song. All right. VBox. Achievement. Yeah, we'll call it achievement menu. Oh. Why is it not showing? Dude, I don't know how to spell anymore. I never knew how to spell. Okay. Achievements menu. Usually we use it doesn't matter. update achievements. Load achievements. Unlocked achievements and achievements stored. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a NRV box. Should we just make one and then have it reference everything? Right, I'll just Alright, I'll make it label. Should do something like unlocked, right? Here, well, actually, I kind of want to do something a little. Let's get a little fancy. I'm gonna do a little H box in here. You can like gray it out or something too. Oh, unlocked. Achievement. Oh. Any idea on my next project? I have a bunch of like I don't know. There's so many things I want to do. Like I want to expand into publishing. That's sort of like yeah. But like that's not really a project. I mean, it's a project, but it's not like a dev project. It's more like administrative, boring stuff. But I feel like it's gonna take a lot of time too. All right, so name unlocked. Sure, why not? And I'm just gonna say progression manager. I'm gonna tell Claude to do this because I don't progression manager achievements. Let's do this var. Achievement manager that all achievements. Let's go to achievement manager that what's it? We'll just steal that. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna tell Claude to duplicate this container. I'll just say oh, actually, wait, let me also grab this. So this is achievement container, and then we'll say this is achievements container. Whoops. What's going on here? Have it duplicate my achievement container. And what's going on here? Oh, never mind. Oh, what the hell? It's trying to store in for. Did I have this thing? That's actually kind of cool. I wasn't planning on doing this, but it's a good idea. All right, ready, visible, achievement containers false. We don't have to do this. And we'll have to make sure that it updates. Not on the ready. I'm not sure if we. I don't think we create. I don't remember. We'll see. Achievement menu. Let's go on here. What is the next idea? Oh, so yeah, like Honestly, I'm not sure if I'll work on another game just yet. Like I'll probably just keep working on Memory unless it's like a Twitch game or something. I'm trying to do like publishing next. Like that's the next thing I want to really work on. So we're going in here, but it's not visible. Let's see what's going on. Is it not visible? Name unlocked on what the hell? Why is it just saying name? Do I get an error? Achievement label, I guess Claude decided it knows what these names should be. No. Achievement name. Sort of achievements. Achievement. Wait, what the hell? Why is it doing this? New container is equal to. What are you doing here, buddy? New container is equal to this. New container visible. Add child new container. Label dot achievement label. All right. Achievement name. Oh god, these titles are not hit though. I mean, it works. Should we put it on the left? The locked ones. Should we have it so the locked ones don't have any name? Not have any name. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we don't store this thing unless we do. Unless you, assuming you have this label, completion late. Yeah, we don't. All right, what's left for us to do? Giving a warning. We haven't done that. List of achievements. Record a valid run. This works. Resetting valid run. Record death count. I mean, yeah, we're doing this already. Marker timer per chapter. Record death count for chapter. Sound. Yeah, what's a good sound for that? Sure, I have so many sounds to go through, but what does our UI use? Just want something quick. What's this? Oh, it's kind of loud. No. Yeah, we'll find something. I don't know if I want to do this now though. Let me see. Sword. What's in here? Can we hear these? No, it's gonna be way too loud. Blue zone, ambience, main menu. What's this? No. Collectible sound maybe. Hmm. I'll just use this one for now. Oh my goodness. Is this so loud? Yo, too much tomato. How's it going? How you doing? So I think it should just work. Hopefully. Never enough tomato if you ask me. You right. We won't know if it's if we here I have to delete our achievements here. We're also gonna spam the sounds if you get too many achievements. Also I think wait, I forgot we wanted our achievements to be locked. 1 second. How's it going? How's your game coming? Do I have an does this go to Torso Tennis? It does, yeah. How's Torso Tennis coming along? Pigorli's everywhere all at once. It's true. In fact, Pigorli's profile picture is a rock from Everywhere all at once. That movie. You know the one. Yo North, how's it going? But yeah, thank you for the raid. Good. Focusing on TikTok this month. Nice. I can never. I really want to, but yeah. Yeah, you're pretty good at it. All right, so valid run. If we, oh here, let's look at our progression here. Hopefully it's not broken. All right, so yeah, everything is locked at the moment. All our achievements go through here. Yes, flawless chapter 1. It didn't play the sound though. And we should also add like a queue of some kind. But if we go into progress now, as you can see, it's still locked. I guess because we only put it into the ready. But here, if I go back, let me see. Does it show now? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let's just. I guess we'll have to run this update. Was it? Achievements. Wait. Why are we doing this? Update achievements. False, and then doesn't matter. Achievement container. Yeah. Let's just do this. We don't even need a ready. Just update achievements. Although. Update panel, we'll say. We don't have something specific to this. So just here, I'll just say that. I'll do update panel. Was it here? So now menu, oh, we can look at our progression. We have everything unlocked, and then let's say we die. Oh, we got the persistence pays off, and then we go into progress again, and there we go. Cool. Everything else is locked. This looks ugly though. Not sure what to do about that, but it works. That's all that matters. Maybe like a margin everywhere. Do games do this? I don't even know if games do this really. But also update achievements. This thing should be set to invisible after achievement container. Let's do this. Achievement container to invisible. Put to true. Put this at the end. Nice. Okay. What do we want to do about this though? I'm curious. Wait, let me see something. Is there a description? It's a title and then description. Okay, so I think we could say Should we keep the title? Or we could also add another thing that says like hidden title or something. I'll leave it the way it is for now. But the description's kind of silly looking. Let me see. Maybe we should also do like I'm not sure yet. It's good enough right now. Let's keep moving. Should we add a margin container? I don't know what we usually do with margin containers. Oh, is it gonna be all jank now? Okay. I think we have a theme, like something going on in here. So let's see what it looks like. Nothing apparently. Doesn't look like anything. Boom, boom, boom. What's a good, I don't know, 20? Although it should be based on the screen size, probably. And also, I think we don't want it here. We want it in here. Everything is unique, right? Except, see, back. I think so. What's this though? Is there anything on back pressed? Okay, it just has its own thing. Here. So we'll put it in the in here. Margin container. Oh, with a good value, but 20 wasn't it. Wait, what the hell? What the flip, dude? Why is it here? There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. It's better. It is true. It's true. It's from that movie. Oh, what do you think? Could be better, but it's good for now. Gates we don't have yet. Still ugly though. Can't be bothered right now though. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep moving. What do we want to do about this? Cats are not a thing yet, so I'm actually just gonna remove that one. Get rid of the cats. And then the grid. How's the grid work? Whoops. Columns. Should we just make it like 10? I don't know why there's like this weird gap between... It must be... I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I wonder if they're just empty images. Is it based? Oh, I think it's based on the chapter. That's why. It's probably everything in chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that how that works? I guess we'll find out in just a second. I see. Icon grid. Grid node. Dot duplicate based on. Yeah, I assume it's on the chapter label. So go to chapter. Chapter label is equal to label.new. Yeah. Are we getting any errors here? Get node. We're never adding it. It says turn grid. Oops. There we go. Cool. I'm not sure why this one. I guess we're just centering them. See, fill. Progress. Ew. Ew. Why is it looking like that? Why does it look like that? And why is it before? And I think I prefer also, this is happening on the ready. Again, we have to have some sort of, what is it, like func update panel. We should have a... Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. For now... Do we want it in an HBox? Thing is, if it's in an HBox, then like let's say we have 1 million collectibles, it's gonna look weird actually. So maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, this might be better. Why is it limited to like half the screen though? Is it because of this? Yeah, what the hell? Margin? Actually, this probably won't reset. This is invisible, so why is it showing? I'll just hide all this just in case. Expand? something weird here. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Here, let's see. Yeah, I think we can just check it right here. I mean, it looks like they're all expanded. Do. None of them say shrink. Is there like a alignment begin, margin? Is it because I have I just have this set to 10? Is that why? I think that's why. Is there any way to like dynamically just put as many as you can? Or like if you put 100, what happens? Or 1,000? Is it just gonna... That makes sense that it's because I put it at 10. All right, cool. There we go. But I wonder what happens if you have more. Or is it? Where do you say margin container is like 200 on each? Oh, I just do I have to like manually calculate? Let me see something. Columns. What if I just set it like, is there any default like auto? Oh, if I set it to 1, it's just gonna, okay. I don't really want to mess with this right now. Also, the progress icon. Let me see this. It's a button. We could make it so that it's let's say we do set it to, we can just set it to fill on the horizontal, and I think that should work. So if I put it back on 10, at least it'll be evenly distributed. Let's see. Oh no, that looks no. I'll leave it like this for now, though. Let's put this back. Oh my goodness, please. This looks so ugly, but we'll keep it for now. Okay, gates. All right, well, yeah, let's just power through the gates now. I'll commit this. Okay. Yeah, what was left? Oh, also, this menu needs to update differently. Right now, see, update achievements or update panel for collectible UI. What is this debug load game? Oh, I see. I think we were just doing some stuff there. Update panel. I don't think we have to do that anymore. Where's this max index? It's run anywhere? Current index? All right. So yeah, this is good. Gates, collectibles, skins. Okay. Let's do gates now. Let me see what our player looks like here. Stones on players. This is on profile node. Stones. Chapter stones. Do I have any unlocked on the player? Let's see. Profile 1. Chapter 1 stones. We have 2. Memory stones. Chapter stones, memory stones. 2. Probably put a checkpoint there. I don't know how to be my own section here. It's a little annoying. Scenario 1 and 2. All right, so let's make one. Should I just duplicate it? Let me see. What does the script look like? I don't think I have a reference to any stones. I just know that I put 6. Okay. Okay, so let's go into. Let me just go into achievement. Mm-hmm. Okay, stones menu, create this. Should we store the location? No. I did make a new script here, right? Okay. Stones menu, panel container. All right, so wait, let me change this name. Let's change this. We need to know the player's unlocked update panel. So var, or here I'll say var. Or you know what we can do here. Var current stones. Or here first we'll also do var all stones. It's gonna be a variable. Yeah. It's also like the best. I don't do much cardio, but when I do cardio, it's the best. It's a I call it chapter stones, but inside chapter stones I do some weird stuff. So here you can see that it says I do chapter stones dot I don't feel like changing this right now. The chapter stones and then memory stones for some reason. In the meantime, I go in here. Mm-hmm. Should we call them stone gates? Gates actually makes more sense. Gate stones. Call that actually. Here, I'll leave this alone. Put it in here. Name unlocked. We want it the other way. Wait, what? Current unlock stones is equal to has stone and all stones. Mm-hmm. Are we not running update achievements? Update panel. Let me see this again. It shows, but something funky is going on. Stones menu, gate connect, focus press, shows a menu. Okay. Achievement container, chapter name. Unlocked. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Says we have 1 and 2. Okay. Says name unlocked. It's like it's not updating properly. Get chapter name. Oh. Silly Claude. What? Chapter name unlock. Oh, here we go. All right, there we go. Should be good now. And then, I mean, we don't have to keep it a. We have to keep it a secret. trying to think. This looks so ugly. I don't know what else to do. You'll bear like line. Getting close. Getting close to being close. What the hell? What just broke? Completion label. Ooh, wait, what? What the flip? Achievement container. Chapter name. What's going on? What did I just break? Achievements container visible false. Visible achievement. Oh, whoops. Achievement container is what I wanted. Whoops. Yeah, I'm close to getting early access, getting like a build that I okay, there we go. That looks whatever. Gates, achievements, collectibles look ridiculous. Here, wait, let's change that again. Where's that progression icon? Good luck, thank you. Oh, actually, wait. Should do, maybe we do shrink center? I'm pretty sure it'll already shrink center though. Skins, collectibles. Oh, I see, I see. Oh yeah, let's do shrink center. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, what the hell? No, not expand. Wait, it shouldn't even matter, actually. It should be... Yeah, whoops, my bad. Should be... this that needs to be centered, the collectibles UI. This needs to be shrink center, I think. We'll see in just a second. I'm going all over the place. Maybe not expand? Not fill? Come on. Come on. Just give me what I want. Fill. Shrink center. Is there like a minimum size on this thing or something? There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, but I don't know if I even like that. We'll leave it like this for now. We're gonna change this up at some point. We just need the functionality of it. Right. I kind of like it. Low-key kind of like the way the jank look of it. Not gonna lie. Okay. We don't really have any skins yet, but I mean we do, like these technically do work, but they're not that good. Or like they're supposed to be way more in depth. Stone, hidden memory stone. These are good. Okay, awesome. That is really, well, wow, we powered through that. I'm kind of proud. What do we want to do now? Let's see. We got, so actually, you know what's funny? This not, here, let's fix that. My timers were never running. Time manager, I think? Time manager? This thing, I want to refactor it just a bit, though, at the moment. Here, let me see. We're doing some early returns somewhere, I think. Yeah, right here. Start physics. Start timer. Update labels. I wonder why I did it this way though. Time manager, and then we're like manually calling it. We should have just done it with let me see, debug UI, get time display string. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure if I want to handle it. I don't want to deal with this right now. But I'm curious. The timers should just run now, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. We go into options. Total timer, current run, total deaths. Sure. Save. Alright, so yeah, you can see the time up there. If we beat the game right now, do we get another achievement for like beating the game? Oh no, I don't think so, because there's the where's our where's chapter time? Oh yeah. Awesome. So yeah, I think those save automatically too. So if I go back in here and I can see our total time. It'd be really cool too to get player stats somewhere. So if you go into, oh yeah, that'd be nice. Player stats, just showcasing right here, so you don't have to go into. Oh my goodness, I'm getting a little too excited about this. Okay. I'm trying to think. Should we call it here or should we power through some more stuff? I'm worried. I don't want to lose, you know, like efficiency with what I'm doing here. So we did this. Warning if new run. Record death count. We're doing this. Per chapter, we're doing this. Actually, are we? Record death count. Let me see. Player could use some fixes. Let me see. Death count. Achievement manager, update death count. If chapter death is greater, try again. Are we always running this? Global total deaths. Persistence pays off. Cat's 9 lives. Where are we doing the current chapter? Current chapter deaths. Speedrun times. Wait, why didn't we get the achievement for this? Check speedrun time. I think that's why we're just not running this. Do I want to clean this up today? Let me see. So, okay, achievements. We did this. Sound death per core death per chapter. We're not doing this per chapter. We're not doing it for achievements, but we are doing it. Resetting valid run, give warning if starting your run. Skins. Player session data, show sessions. There's so many things I want to clean up. Let me think. Wait, can you just make... Oh, no. All right, let's just do the per chapter thing. Let's get all of this done today. Core death count per chapter. I don't think we're doing that, right? So I wonder if this is ever going to matter on in inner game. Like we could put this in the level manager, or we could just keep it in the achievement manager and just store what's happening. No, I think it makes sense to put it in the level. Here, let's do that. So let's go into our level manager. Is kind of ridiculous looking though. Timer manager, level manager. Do we have like a reset reference? No. Okay, wait, no. Profile, no. Reset collectibles. We have this. Let's do this. Func. Reset. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? There's no ready. Let me see something. I guess we'll just do it. Why am I doing this? Reset references. Okay, let's go into, let me just see something. When is this being kill player? I assume it's on the player, hopefully. Signal. Mm. Oh, wait, what? This is not what we wanted. Here, wait. Kill player. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I kind of want to redo all of this. I don't know if we should do it today though. Maybe this tomorrow. It's a lot. Yeah, I don't like any of this. It's gonna be so much cleaner though. Okay. Yeah, we'll call it here. I had to let it marinate a little bit. Alrighty, people. Have a good one. I'm gonna go for Rima's. Have a good one. I'm gonna go for EXO. Playing UFO 50. Just a second. Mature audiences only. Certain audiences. Not mature audiences. Raid message is gonna be thanks for the photos. This is a And is there like a what's a good photo here? This. Wait, let me see if there's a better one. We'll do Pigorli. Cadorli. All right, people. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be back. Oh, I won't be back until like maybe Monday or even next week, Wednesday. So if you want to know when I start streaming again, maybe you want to join the Discord. Maybe you want to wishlist my game. It's going to come out soon. So really appreciate it if you do. Did I start the raid? Where's my raid? Let's try that again. /raid. Oh, there we go. I need to copy my raid message, please. Oh, come on. There we go. Alrighty, people. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out.